Hell is a horrible place. Hell is a fire that never dies. Hell is the pain of being eaten alive by 1,000 insects every day, growing back again, to be eaten up again. Hell is a thirst that can never be quenched.
You wanna? Do you think there's going to be 200 deaths? Short space for about 20 yards, is it?
Look under the truck on the back tower. Fancy clue number 2. Look for the baby doll head at MNAE, Museum of Ephemerata, 1808 Singleton. Well, this is 1808 Singleton. There's baby doll head. 600 flowers. Another one of those weird Austin places. Don't these people throw anything away? I found you. What do you have to tell me? What's that? I can't hear you. Oh. Oh yeah? Mm-hmm. They're not feeding you, right? No. What's that? Check your feet. Okay. Oh. Looks like another fancy clue. Why, it's fancy clue number 3. Thank you, Mr. Baby Doll Head. Go to Smutt, Putt Heaven Holiness Church, 509 Gate Tree Lane. Look for the penguin. Go to Smutt. Penguin. Penguin in a cactus. How could be a penguin in a cactus? Pretty little penguin. What's this? Is this it? Wow, look at this. It's the biggest fortune cookie I've ever seen. This lady spreads her wings. Whoa! You are going to acquire some new and stylish clothes. God, I sure hope so. At least some clean ones. Melt in your mouth and in your hands. They're delicious. Those Ripley, believe it or not, people would have a field day with this stuff. Look at that. Got all the colors of the rainbow in there. Messy but fun and tasty too. Now I need me a gallon of lemonade to wash it all down with.